This will be a brief tutorial on how to join a meeting using the Zoom application. You will receive an email similar to the one on your screen. The focus is on the hyperlinks. The first link will take you to the Zoom application on your mobile device or PC. Here you can listen to and see live video from the meeting. Now notice the link that says One Tap Mobile. This is for an audio-only connection to the meeting. Using this link will enable you to listen to the meeting on your mobile device. Let's now click on the first hyperlink. Since Zoom is not installed on this device, it will open up zoom.com on the default web browser. Here we can join a meeting or download the Zoom app from Google Play. We can now select the download button. This will open up the Google Play Store and take us to the download page for Zoom. Click Install. Zoom will now install to your device. After Zoom has downloaded, it will then install. And then after that, we're going to click Open. All right, clicking Open will take us to the Start screen. Now we're going to leave the Zoom app and go back to our email that we received. And again, we're going to click under Join Zoom Meeting. You now give the option to open with Zoom. Select Zoom. Now what it's going to do is log us into the meeting, and we can now enter our name into the application. You will then be taken to a live video of the meeting. This is just my camera that's hosting the meeting. It's just pointed up at the ceiling. But we can then grant the necessary permissions, allow Zoom to record audio. Now we're at the meeting. Now notice at the bottom of your screen, there's going to be a menu. If we can just click the empty space, this menu will come up. There we can mute device, which will mute our microphone. We can start or stop video, which disables or enables the video camera on our device. And notice as we click the More button, we'll have the option to raise a hand, which gives a notification that you would like to offer a comment. Well, this would just be a brief video explaining the basics of Zoom. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. This will be updated as need arises, so feel free to subscribe for future updates. Have a good day.